Hello everyone, this is Catherine. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share this card that I made, and I used a tutorial from Lolly, and I will link that tutorial in the description box below. I will also link all the dies and stuff that I used as much as I can in the description box below. I got most of the dies from either Amazon or AliExpress. So the front, I did a bunch of layering, and I used some ribbon, I used some vellum, and I think these dies I used from AliExpress, and I used a border punch for this one, and I did a bunch of, I used a gold paint pen. Trying to see, I don't have it close to me. Actually, it's this Deco Color Premium paint pen, but in gold. I use that to edge along a bunch of the papers here. This is a die right here, and then I cut out the number 10 and the TH with my Silhouette Cameo. So then on the inside, it says, wishing you many more happy years together. And then this is like an envelope, waterfall system kind of. So it goes like this, and then each pocket has something in there. And I actually made this for my neighbor, and it's her son and his wife are having their 10th anniversary. So I covered up their picture, and then I flipped the rest of them over, but I just wanted to show you guys what I put in each one of these envelopes. So I put a journaling card. I put best day ever here, and then this one has their wedding picture on it, and I covered up their faces, but just so you could see what I did here. I matted their picture, and then I did the gold edging right here. And then she can write on the back or just leave it just like this. The next one says, you are so loved. And then the next one is a picture of the wife pregnant, and the husband's in the picture also, but I'm not, it's on the other side. I didn't cover them up. So there's something in each envelope. And then this one is a little spot for her to write a little note on there. And then the last picture is a family picture of the kids and them all together. It's on the other side, matted on the cardstock. So when you pick it up,